Come down here. Me have your picture. Hello. Me have a conversation.
Alright, I'm gonna see if you have 2 blood clots. Just come in, man. You hear me say I have to change a plan because the man stood me up. Come in and make we discuss it, yeah? You always come at the airport? Yeah. Okay, I see you in half an hour. Can you not stay long? No, sir. Alright, baby, see you soon. Yeah. Yeah. You see, though. You know this man in under construction called me. I said to me, Queenie, me have a show at Portland and me I come on Mobile Airport 3 o'clock. Me say, by 3 o'clock, I go long gone come, I go meet Rick. Ah, God. I well tell Anna Construction say I'm not going to see when I come at the airport because I'm going to meet Ricky and we are going to do business and this that I'm going to divert this and that. See me at the same place of Mobile to blood clot stuck and can't move. Hey, Latus. Come on, Latus. Big up your nice, clean, sexy girl power self. Hey! What's up, darling, dear? Your complexion nice. You come give me a hug. Yeah?
Yes, mama, see a long time to know me. I wait.
Hey, nice boy.
Your team.
Yeah. Dear, nice people. Hello? Yeah, Latus. Come on, Latus. Yeah, me on a queen. Yes, get a queen. All-purpose queen. Thank you, madam. I know a lot of past things. She said, you know, I love with Queenie. Queenie take everything for joke. I know that I love with myself. I take everything for joke. I feed me for take things serious and put on my head. When I walk with some pussy blood clot ribbon on my pussy tongue and I walk. And what? Move on a dirty blood clot. Me I live life. You don't work? Jamie, me there my be now. You know want to come look for me? Hey! Hello? Oh God. Hello! What's all about pitney them? Could pitney. Hey! I want to my tongue now. My tongue now brush. Come use your toenail and brush my tongue them for me. Toothbrush can't brush my blood clot tongue. I have toenail them if you use and brush it. Oi! I didn't have a girlfriend on this wedding.
Well, I know she's not here. She's in Canada right now. So, you have no WhatsApp. You just want to take a picture.
Let me send one video again.
Yeah.
Can you know she the message me do? I always remember. Come here now have the same birthday or something like that.
Exactly.
You want to remember? Oh God, let me send a video to her.
Oh gosh, hold on. One video, man. Let's put it on camera.
Yeah, on camera, yeah. And then you can send it to her. Alright. Marsha, yes, God will bless the same spot, that spot where I did meet you. And then we teen surgery put the power, see your one man to your goodie there. Nice. The Queenie, Ray, one man took Marsha goodie, Ray. You're nice, brown eye husband. If him eye them nice, just hurry up and come fling the pussy upon the man, okay, Shauna?
Right, this is how we make our idea, I swear.
I love you, Shauna, Marsha.
Alright.
Blessed love, yeah?
Thanks, love.
All right, madam. Bless up. I know, you will not cuss now. Over my energy where people love me. If I go say if people can't love Queenie for them behavior. When I can't tell people who for love or what who for rape for me in that crowd. When I will be a blood clot good and decent. I want to not gonna blood clot when nobody not running. Don't allow me make the people them run me down and be excited. Cause I'm excited for life. So them excited for me cause my pussy clean off. Clean fat pussy Queenie, move on a dirty blood clot. Hey! It's also man a celebrity. Every blood clot 30-second Queenie. None of blood clot can do me nothing. But look like me have no fear. God alone me fear. No, me not fear no blood clot man, you know. I'm not trouble people like that. I'm just bad and blood clot trouble when them trouble me. I just trouble them back. Hey! The Queen is here. Hey! What, baby? Come, I'm here. Come on. Come give me my hug.
Really?
Come up here, sir. No, you're going to hurt yourself if you come up here, sir. Touch me. Careful. Definitely want a picture now for go rock. I know that me Queenie about move on the blood. Come on, why you have Queenie, darling? Hello. I can't see the girl boy. Careful of my nice. Blessed love, yeah? Where am I? You want to take a pic? All right, baby, thank you. Okay. Yeah, I'm not hearing nothing else.
You know, I'm there for my way, come down there.
Eh?
There for my way, driver, come down there.
Okay, all right, baby, come to me, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, my nephew, see you soon. I'm telling a blood clot. If you see me, Queenie, you could have talked till that kingdom blood clot come from the pit of them, come out of them, mama pussy absent, them run me down. Move on the blood clot and leave me. I'm a fan, them will accept me for who me is. I'm an energy. Baby, me no know. Oh, when you wake up, I'm there miserably. Do it! Do it too, vexy. Low blood clot me.